Global IP Trust Presence. House.me. This is House.me, a 3D printed sustainable and movable house that can easily be relocated anywhere without the need for a foundation. All you need is a flat surface. House.me is nothing like the modular homes we usually see. It generates its own electricity and water so that you can truly live off the grid, which is becoming a basic need in the current times. It is designed by a startup called Passivedom. House.me redefines the meaning of ownership by removing the restriction of just one zip code. They envision a future where everyone can wake up to the view they want, wherever they are in the world. This cheap and comfortable living solution can be used as a primary residence, guest house, holiday home, studio, or even an income-generating secondary house. It can even be used during global disasters as temporary housing for people that are affected. It can even temporarily house military troops. It comes pre-equipped with all the amenities that you see in a regular home, including 24 hours of internet connection and Apple TV. The building materials include carbon fiber, polymers, aluminium, and wood for the interior. The prices start from $200,000 to $1 million, depending on the type of house. For more information on House.me, visit House.me. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more.